Hey, this is Metra Tech Aaron. We're going to go over the installation of the BC-9728 on the 2021 Harley-Davidson touring bike. What this does is it's going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on your GTS radio. We do recommend that you're on your latest firmware, and this can be obtained from your local Harley-Davidson dealership. For today's demo, we're going to focus on Apple's CarPlay system. One note on these bikes, if you do have Harley-Davidson's new WHIM system, which is the wireless headphone, this will not work. It actually plugs into the same location. So jumping into it, this is where your installation is going to be. We have instructions on our BC-HDR-K1. If you go to metraonline.com, if you need instructions on how to take this fairing off, and let's get going. All right, to start our installation, once you have the front fairing off, you're going to take your favorite pry tool and just work these speed clips off. So this is the Molex connector we're looking for right here. So if you don't have any other accessories on your bike, this one has no rear audio or anything, so you're going to find these rubber boots. Take that off. You're going to take your BC-9728, and that is keyed, so you're not going to be able to put it on any other plug. Just going to snap it into place. Here's a click, and you're done. So take your rubber boot, you don't want to take that off, tuck it under. All right, and we're just going to put your speed clips back in to their factory locations. All right, and we're done on the front side of the fairing. So we're gonna move the camera here, get you in front of the radio so you can see the next steps. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your lightning cable. On this particular bike, your factory USB is on the brake side, and you're gonna plug that in just like that. Grab your iPhone, plug it in, and as you can see on the screen, CarPlay will automatically pop up for you. Now, using this piece, it's going to allow you to use both the navigational and audio streaming features and continue to use your phone, and that's it. That's the complete install. All you have to do is put your front fairing back together, and you now have Apple CarPlay on your Harley.